What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some NASCAR Diecast unboxing to take care of. We've got two boxes here of recent releases. I've been extremely under the weather lately, so these two boxes have just been sitting on the floor for like a week, but I finally feel good enough to open them and get them out. We'll take a look at them one at a time and we'll see what we can get into. But of course, first things first, must say rest in peace to the Biffle family. Such a sad tragedy in the world of NASCAR, so I want to get that out while I can here, while it's still fresh on everybody's mind. Rest in peace, and that is very unfortunate. But with that being said, we'll move on and we'll see what we can do here one at a time. The boxes. So first up, William Byron's Raptor High Heat, number 24 from the 2025 season. And if you're up to snuff with paint schemes, the Raptor scheme for next year is just the patriotic scheme from last year, if you've seen, which is crazy work. But anyways, dang, still not 100%. Next up, Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s Fun Pops, number 47. Fun Pops Salutes, which is really cool to get here. And ever since NASCAR 25 came out, all I can relate to these diecasts coming out are the ones that are in that game. So this is a Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s Fun Pop car that is in that game. Of course, he's got the regular just fantasy Hayek scheme. I think it is just a fantasy. Could be a test car. Who knows? But then they got the Fun Pop car in one of the DLCs. So really cool scheme. To move on to the next one here, we've got Brad Keselowski's number 6. BuildSubmarines.com salutes. Mustang. RFK Racing. Gorgeous, of course. Patriotic schemes. Very hard to mess up. They're always gorgeous. Next up, Ryan Blaney's Body Armor Chill number 12 for 2025. This MFer right here, I love. I was at the Coke 600, so all these Coke 600 cars I've seen race around the track. This one, of course, crashed out, unfortunately, because this is a gorgeous scheme, and it was awesome in person. So this is definitely a fun one to get. I could see myself getting the 124 of this one somewhere down the line, because I like to get schemes that I saw in person that I really like in both scales. So we'll see if that comes true or not. Next up, Joey Logano, number 22, Pennzoil Mustang. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Next up, next to last in box number 1, Josh Berry's number 21, Dex Imaging All-Star Edition here. Cool little get up there. One more car in the first box, and we'll move on to the second one. Chase Briscoe's number 19, a Bass Pro Shops salutes. Toyota from the 2025 season. Let's get the first box out of there. So that was box 1. We had 7 cars up in that one. Now we got box 2, which I don't think has that many. Okay, so this, I think this box is the set of releases that came like 2 or 3 days before all the cars we just saw. I mean, the releases came really close to each other. But anyways, all pretty recent releases as is. Noah Gragson's Beefaroo number 4, Front Row Motorsports. Pretty sure we've got more Gragson later on in this box, but don't see it there. Bubba Wallace Air Force Toyota Camry for the 2025 season. Pretty cool scheme there. Really nice. Next up, we've got Mr. Jimmy Johnson's number 84, Shaq Carvana for Legacy Motor Club. Real nice. Glad to get Jimmy Johnson still coming around. Who we got here? This is the Shane Van Gisbergen Safety Culture, number 88. One of his best schemes of the year. I love that scheme. Pretty sure the scheme was on all of the Trackhouse cars. Maybe not all of them. I don't know if Suarez got it, but I think the one car might have. Speaking of Suarez, here's his 2025 Trackhouse ride here. Don't really know how to pronounce the word, but I'll try. Telkel, maybe? Maybe. It might be Telsil, who knows? But there it is. We're going to getting down to it here, a few more. We've got a really cool one here. Terry Labonte, number 5, DuPont Richmond win from 1995 Silverado Truck Series NASCAR Classics release. Cannot go wrong with this one, and they didn't. Really cool. Next up, next to last of the unboxing, Royal King number 4 for Noah Gragson. Another Gragson Mustang to go along with the Beef Aru release. And then we've got one more in the box and one more for the unboxing. Let me get the box out of the way there. Ross Chastain Busch Light Lime 2025 Chevrolet. Cannot go wrong with any Busch Light scheme ever in the history of NASCAR, ever. So really cool to get another one here. And now we'll try to bring everything in. And as I usually like to request, leave a comment on which diecast you liked the best from this video. Like the video while you're at it. Subscribe while you're at it. And keep checking back in for new NASCAR diecast videos. But here we go. So here's a look at all of them one more time. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 cars here in this video for you to choose from. So once again, leave that comment on which diecast you liked the best from the video. Let's see, I'm gonna try to pick one. I guess I'll pick the Blaney while I'm here. I guess I'll pick it. Got to see a few of these cars race in person. All the Patriotic 600 cars, of course. So I guess that's my pick. But thanks for checking this one out, and come back for the next one. See you in the next one, guys.